What's going on, guys? You already know who it is. It's DeFi CV, the chef. We cooking it. Man, we got the Wall Street cheat sheet. Y'all know I can't say that, so whatever. Basically, this is like a little map. It's a little, yeah, cheat sheet. That's how you call it. So, you know how y'all used to scroll, them little papers in your sleeves in school, or write down the notes on even all that. Y'all know what I'm talking about. This is that basically for traders. You can tell by these stages where you think we might be at. You really can't tell where we at because if you did, you'd probably be a millionaire. And you don't need me, definitely. I need you. But the market always has the same cycles. So basically, you have the hope, optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, all these stages, etc. You put yourself, wherever you think we are, and then that way you have a better idea. Should you panic? Should you be in denial? Should you be in disbelief? Are we in depression, anger, etc.? Now, if we go to the charts, I'm gonna show you a little bit more about this, but I just wanted to start y'all off with this, right? Let's go with the Bitcoin chart. The rainbow chart is looking like we're coming back into the territory of buy zone. So buy zone, basically fire, accumulate. All these zones are good. Compared to buying up here on maximum bubble territory or serious sell, etc. Right? You definitely don't want to be in FOMO. Tell you that much. Over here on the altcoin, let me see the alternative. Sorry, we have 49. So remember, we were at 61. We was at 55, I think, last time when we checked, and now we have 49. So people are getting a little bearish. That's good, in my eyes. I'd rather be on this side to buy than on this side or in the middle because this is like nobody knows where it's gonna go. Over here on the Bitcoin season, altcoin season chart, we're still at the fours, which was a number that I said I would like to see. Fours, shoot, if we can get 3-1, that's beautiful. People accumulate altcoins, blue chips, obviously. If you want to do shitcoin, sure, go ahead, but those are risks, no financial advice. They have more upside, but they also have more downside. If you have blue chips, you technically you sell off Bitcoin here for blue chips, and then up here you sell your blue chips for Bitcoin, etc. Said that 100 times, I feel like. And remember, you could switch it up here. So you can go on the monthly, you see? So on the monthly, where we at? You feel what I'm saying? So now you can go also to the yearly, and you go ahead and chart, chart all those, and then you'll see where we think we at. Bitcoin is basically doing a little dumper rule. We definitely, let me go to the daily though. Yeah, look at that. So we're around this zone. Basically, if you see this and then this, you can probably say it's this part, whatever. Like you pick your poison, because if we go to the monthly, then you really don't have that. You see what I'm saying? In the monthly, that'll be here. You see how this? I know this chart's messy. I'm gonna start working it with a clean chart now. I'm gonna keep this one, but I'm gonna start working with a clean chart. So yeah, so basically you can tell that these two tops here could have been, these right here. Who knows? Like I don't. Um, So you can go through every chart, like every time frame or whatever, and you can see that it's always the same cycle. Like in here, you can come in and you be like, oh, this is the two tops, or this was. You can always pick your whatever you want, man. This is this is the freedom of it, right? So Ethereum. Oh wait, but look. So let's look at the prices though. So right now we definitely looking like we can go to that 25 that we were saying. We're breaking that 26 level, which right here you saw support when it broke up. If we break it, if we don't wick, like let's say if we do not wick above and stay above here on the daily at least or something to then crawl up, then we're definitely going to 25, right? If we go to 25 and we break this one, then we're definitely going to 20. If we break 20 and so forth, we're going to probably come back to this zone or this zone first, actually. So let's put this zone here first. So around that zone, and we can evaluate. We can always. But look, if you see, look at that, bang, 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 bangos, bangos. Like there's always a bangos. You can see it like when you start trading and seeing these patterns, you'll see like where people are accumulating or what you call it, distributing. So basically, this would be accumulation to go up, and this would be distribution to go down. This would be, what I mean, like it just depends. Also, like if you go on the weekly, then then your accumulation zone is still here. Then your yeah, that distribution zone will be up here. So You can see those cycles. It don't matter if you're in the 1 minute, 5 minute, etc. So we said Ethereum, same thing. We broke 18. Next is basically the 1700s. After that, we break that, then y'all know we're going lower. Maybe 15s, high 15s first, and then obviously the 15s, etc. Let's see come on now. Look at that dollar. The dollar's going up, everything's going down. So if y'all look at this and y'all see that the dollar was going strong, which we said it can come target as 103 to then dump, then we saw that beforehand. And if we would have traded that, then we would have saw this breakout. You know what I mean? We saw this dump, you would have saw this buy pressure going up, and this is on the hour. So if you go to like the daily, you'll see that this is pure. Like, look at that. You see that? That's a uptrend. So it broke all these, basically all these daily highs right here. That were the temporary ones. So the next stop is this one, 102, then 103, etc. Until it comes up here. It might reject from up here because if you see this is a crazy zone. So we'll see how strong the dollar is, etc. We'll see what news we have. I do see that it's a lower low, so that's why I'm expecting it to probably run up and then dump. We'll see, we'll see. And then we have gold. If you see gold is always going up. It holds strong. It doesn't make too many moves. It doesn't do a 3x, 4x, or 5x. But people like to have it as a store of value. And if you see that, if you even bought here, you're probably at a loss for a little bit. But then after that, you always at at some profits. Even if you bought here, you got some profits. If you bought here, you still got some profits right now. Slow and steady, but at least is almost for sure, right? You can't say nothing's for sure in crypto. Let's see what we got here. GDS 24. Okay, so like we said before, people were probably gonna dump. And look at that, we're coming to this strong level here. So we have to hold this to then, go above, etc. Especially if people are feeling bullish or the market's feeling bullish. If not, everything's gonna dump. I'm not gonna lie to you. Everything, whoever has been here, you already know how this goes. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. It can go down, and then it comes up if the team is good, if the community is great, and supportive, etc. FTX, GPT. So yeah, I really, really want to take the time to see what you guys have, like what bags you have. But ARB, oh my God, ARB is people are trading this crazy. This one you have to really keep your eye on ARB for the next run. I wanted to show you guys these for those traders out there. I like GTrade. I'm pretty sure these have like referral things. Yeah, see referrals. I think I have to do like a whole I think I remember checking this one. It has like a whole forum, like I have to write to them, etc. But either way, I'll still leave y'all the link, even if it's not referral or not. But if y'all see a referral, because I'm pretty sure on this one I have it. Yeah, I was checking this one out. I'm gonna definitely have that on the description. But I really like GTrade, even if I don't put the referral, because y'all can go to Mumbai. If y'all go to Mumbai, then y'all can practice. And I'd rather you guys practice, than coming in here with your hard-earned money. So you go to Mumbai, Faucet, you get some Polygon, some fake Polygon. In there, and then yeah, you start trading and start practicing. Use the limit stops, the limit order, sorry, the stops. You short, you long, buy on market. Make sure you put your stop losses in, take profits, etc. Start practicing this, and then see what happens. Maybe some of you become some crazy traders. I'm gonna get into deep the what you call a review on these, but I just wanted to show you guys these in case I wanted to practice, especially if the market gets boring. But you already know what the vibe is, man. Wait. Let's do one thing though. Let's go on the monthly. Right? And if we're looking at this, I just want y'all to to look at it. If we're looking at this, matter of fact, this one's ugly. Let's go to another one, because that one, oh my God, oh my Lord. Let's go. Okay, there you go. So basically, this is an idea that I had. I don't know how long ago, because this chart looks super clean. Maybe I didn't touch it that much. But if y'all looking at this, right, just go back to this cheat sheet, and where y'all think we at. But look at it on a monthly. Maybe on a weekly. Go ahead, go look at it on a weekly if you think so. But I rather a higher time frame, because it gives you an overall, perspective on it. So you can see it's basically I I'm gonna tell you what I think. I think it's kind of weird to say. Let me see. If you look at it on a monthly, it really shows that we're like denial. or something like that. But if we was to shorten this, let's say if this right, this path right here was gotten shortened, then we're probably either here or here. Because if y'all see these two, imagine that this is up here though, because of the time frame. I'll say so that's a possibility. Like let's just say this, this is supposed to be the denials, stage, etc., etc. Because if you go on the weekly, then you can see those. You can see the panic, denial, whatever, etc. And then these two are the tops, right? So look at that. You probably see denial, panic, and then the two tops, right? So on the weekly, you could probably see that. I like seeing the monthly. I'm hoping that in the weekly is right, but you guys tell me.